Have you seen the cuckoo bird? Written by Swapna Datta. Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her sing. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close, but how she sings at night. Cuckoo and cuckoo, says the bird, I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings that way I do.